Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a mail account on your iPhone running on iOS 18. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the mail app on your iPhone, go to mail and tap onto it. And if you never set up mail before, a list of email providers will appear. Select your email provider like Google, Yahoo, Outlook, etc. or tap other for custom accounts. Enter your email address, tap next, enter your password, tap next to complete setup. Adding mail through settings. So you have to open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap onto mail, search for your mail, and then tap onto this option mails, and scroll down and tap on mail accounts, and you can tap onto this add account and you can choose your mail account like iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, etc. or you can customize like click on others and you can add from here. And that's it, your email should now be added to the mail app. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.